All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you on this 2019 VW e-Golf how to deal with that smell coming from your AC. I'm not gonna do the complex one that takes a little bit longer where you deal with the condenser pipe and everything. I'm just gonna spray the air intake here. So I've already changed my air filter. I know that's not the cause of the smell, so we need to get to the air intake, which is just under this right here. There's this clip here. Is there one in the middle? Yeah, there's one in the middle, actually, right there. And then there's one on this side. So there's 3 clips. We're gonna pull this clip, and it just put your finger under it, and it will slide right out, right? So this is one. Here's the second one, right around the middle of your car. Okay, because we want to get underneath this. Okay, and then there's this one. And you'll see these outdents over here. This is where they are at, all the clips. All right. Now we're gonna pull this cover off, which is the passenger side. Let's lift this up. And this big piece here, this is gonna be blocking where we need to get into. And if you look a little over here, and sorry for the camera, I'm trying to hold this and show you at the same time. If you look over here, you'll see that you need to take this off, okay? So you're just gonna put your hand behind here. It's clipped on here, right? So you're just gonna put your hand behind here, lift, and it'll disconnect. All right. So I just lifted it as much as I could to just get it out of the way. All I want is to get to this filter, right? So this is where I'm gonna spray my disinfectant or air cleaning thing, and we should be good. All right, so you wanna go inside your car, set your fan to all the way high. You wanna have it on AC, but you want the air not recirculating. You wanna turn that off, and you wanna have it coming from outside so that when you spray outside into the intake, it comes actually into the car. Now you're gonna go outside the car. I'm using Frigifresh. You hold this away about 8 to 12 inches away from that vent, and you're gonna spray directly into the vent. It says to spray for about 4 to 6 seconds. I did maybe triple that, maybe a little more than that, just because the car really smelled and I wanted to make sure I got rid of the smell. All right, and that's it. Now the black flap that was over your air intake, go ahead and put that back on. Make sure it's clipped in the middle, and then put the entire cover back on. Remember, there are 3 clips, one on the left, one in the middle, one on the right. Put all those clips back on. They should slide on pretty easily. The plastic piece and the metal where it's gonna clip to, they should be tight together, so just make sure you've got them tight. Clip it all back and close it up, and you should be good to go. Remember not to breathe in the Frigifresh.